Cheap cars often carry a reputation for problems, but not every affordable vehicle is built to fail. Some models quietly deliver long service life, low repair costs, and consistent dependability that puts newer, pricier cars to shame. In this video, we're starting our countdown of the 9 cheap cars that have proven their reliability over time. Real workhorses that keep running long after others have given up. The Ford Focus has been one of the most common sights on British roads for decades. It's popular for a reason: easy to drive, simple to maintain, and inexpensive to keep running. The naturally aspirated petrol variants, especially the older 1.6 models, earned a reputation for toughness that newer turbocharged versions never achieved. Owners regularly share stories of Focus engines covering more than 200,000 miles with only routine servicing. The design uses a straightforward mechanical layout that any local garage can handle. The timing belts and fuel systems are uncomplicated, and parts are found in almost every scrapyard or parts store across the UK. Mechanics often highlight this version's affordability. Labor costs are lower because the engine bay is accessible and doesn't require complex diagnostic tools. For buyers, the biggest advantage is cost predictability. Maintenance stays steady, and there are no hidden mechanical surprises. Depreciation has made these cars even more attractive. Many examples are available for a fraction of their original price, often with full service histories. For drivers seeking reliability without an expensive badge, the old-school Focus remains a smart purchase that delivers solid value. The Mazda 3 combines strong engineering with precise design. Its 2.0-liter Skyactiv petrol engine has become well known among mechanics for durability. Unlike many compact cars that rely on forced induction or complex emission systems, the Mazda 3 sticks to a naturally aspirated setup designed to reduce wear and maintain consistent performance. Owners frequently report passing 160,000 miles with the engine still running smoothly. The car's rigid body structure and balanced suspension add to its longevity by reducing stress on components. In long-term surveys, the Mazda 3 performs well against its European rivals, showing fewer electronic and engine-related failures. Parts availability is another reason for its dependability. Mazda's global supply chain makes replacements easy to find, and many components are shared with other Mazda models, lowering maintenance costs. Used prices remain reasonable, often lower than a comparable Volkswagen Golf or Ford Focus of the same year. The 3 also provides a satisfying driving experience while staying mechanically reliable. It handles well, feels responsive, and doesn't require expensive repairs. Regular servicing, corrosion checks, and oil changes keep it performing for years. For drivers who value steady reliability with a touch of refinement, the Mazda 3 delivers exactly that. The Suzuki Swift stands out as a dependable small car built around simplicity. The 1.2-liter petrol engine is light, efficient, and designed to handle years of urban driving without complaint. Mechanics often describe the Swift as a car that just runs, requiring little beyond oil changes, filters, and standard maintenance. Owners report mileage figures of over 180,000 with minimal issues. The Swift's small size reduces stress on the suspension, brakes, and drivetrain, allowing these parts to last longer than in heavier vehicles. Because it uses no turbocharger or advanced electronics, there are fewer expensive failures to worry about. Spare parts are inexpensive and widely available. Consumables such as tires, brake pads, and clutch kits cost less than those for larger vehicles, keeping upkeep easy on the wallet. Insurance is low too, which makes the Swift attractive to first-time buyers and commuters. The Swift's reputation for resilience is built on real-world use. Across markets, it maintains a consistent record of passing annual inspections and MOT tests with only minor advisories. For anyone wanting a compact, easy-to-maintain car that doesn't drain the budget, the Swift continues to prove its worth year after year. The Honda Jazz has built one of the strongest reputations in the small car segment. Its 1.4-liter naturally aspirated engine is simple, fuel efficient, and designed to last. many examples on the road today, have crossed 200,000 miles with their original engines and gearboxes intact. Honda's engineering philosophy centers on mechanical simplicity and long-term reliability. The Jazz follows that formula perfectly. No turbochargers, no complex timing belts, and minimal electronic systems. Maintenance typically involves standard oil and filter changes, brake pads, and occasional clutch replacements. The Magic Seat interior design is another reason owners stay loyal to the Jazz. The seats fold in multiple ways without stressing the chassis, giving the car flexibility without compromising structure. Its compact size keeps wear on suspension and tires low, while excellent visibility and light steering make it ideal for daily driving. Parts are affordable and widely distributed across Honda's service network. Mechanics praise the Jazz for being easy to work on, and service times are short. For cost-conscious drivers who want long-term peace of mind, the Jazz represents dependable value with decades of proven performance behind it. The Toyota Yaris holds a legendary status among small cars for a reason. It ranks near the top of almost every reliability survey. RepairPal gives it a 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating. And What Car lists it as one of the most dependable used cars available in the UK. The naturally aspirated 1.3-liter engine has earned a reputation for running trouble-free for hundreds of thousands of miles. Yaris owners often share examples of vehicles reaching 400,000 kilometers with nothing more than regular servicing. The simple design, no turbochargers, few sensors, and well-tested components gives it consistency that few modern cars achieve. Many older Yaris models start instantly, even after years of use, which has helped build its cult following among mechanics. Running costs are another advantage. Fuel efficiency remains excellent, averaging around 30 miles per gallon in the city and 37 on the highway. Replacement parts such as brakes, filters, and suspension components are inexpensive, and service intervals are straightforward. Depreciation is modest because the Yaris holds its value on the used market. Buyers often pay a little more upfront, but the savings in maintenance easily outweigh that difference. Insurance and tax rates are low, making it a perfect option for city drivers, students, or families who need something reliable and efficient. The Yaris represents the peak of simple, proven reliability in affordable motoring. It demands little, delivers a lot, and keeps running long after other cars have retired. The Mitsubishi Mirage has earned its place among the most economical and durable small cars available today. Annual maintenance costs average around $457, according to RepairPal, which is significantly lower than the industry average for compact vehicles. Many owners describe the Mirage as a simple commuter car that consistently performs year after year with minimal expenses. The secret lies in its design. The Mirage uses a small displacement 3-cylinder engine with minimal electronics and a straightforward mechanical layout. This simplicity eliminates many of the failure points that appear in more advanced vehicles. The car's lightweight chassis also helps, putting less strain on the suspension, tires, and brakes, which allows these components to last longer. Fuel economy is another major advantage. Many Mirages reach 39 miles per gallon in city driving and up to 43 miles per gallon on the highway. This makes it one of the most fuel-efficient, non-hybrid cars sold globally. Real-world endurance reports back up the statistics. Several 2021 models have passed 215,000 miles, with little more than regular oil changes, brake replacements, and tire rotations. Owners on automotive forums often highlight the Mirage's predictability. It starts every morning, rarely triggers warning lights, and continues operating with steady performance regardless of mileage. The car's affordable parts and small service requirements make it an ideal option for students, commuters, or families seeking the lowest possible running costs. The Hyundai Venue represents how affordable cars have evolved over the past few years. It is a compact crossover that delivers practicality, warranty protection, and emerging reliability at an accessible price point. Recent buyer guides for 2025 list the Venue among the cheapest new cars available, offering strong value for cost-conscious drivers. Hyundai's reliability record has improved dramatically during the past decade. The Venue benefits from the same engineering philosophy that raised Hyundai's reputation for long warranties and robust drivetrains. Most trims come with a 5-year or longer warranty, covering major components and reducing maintenance risks for several years of ownership. Mechanically, the Venue favors balance over complexity. Base models avoid overpowered turbo engines and instead use smaller, naturally aspirated designs that are easier to maintain. The suspension setup distributes weight efficiently, reducing wear on shock absorbers and tires. Many mechanics point out that this simple configuration helps the Venue maintain steady performance as it ages. Owners appreciate the Venue for combining urban practicality with reliability. It offers compact size for city driving and higher ground clearance for rougher roads. Fuel economy figures remain competitive within its class, and replacement parts are becoming easier to find through Hyundai's expanding global network. Buyers are advised to select moderate trims, which keep electronic systems simple and maintenance predictable. As long as the car is serviced regularly and kept under warranty, the Venue provides dependable transportation with the comfort of a small crossover and the affordability of a compact car. The Nissan Versa consistently appears on lists of the most affordable cars on the market, and it delivers reliability that matches its low price. The car's strength comes from its uncomplicated engineering. Lower trims use naturally aspirated petrol engines with minimal technology, creating a powertrain that can operate for years with basic maintenance. The Versa benefits from Nissan's global parts supply network, which makes servicing simple and cost-effective. Many of its components are shared with other Nissan models, ensuring wide availability of replacements. Mechanics appreciate the straightforward layout, which keeps labor costs down and repair times short. Owners praise the Versa for predictable operating costs and good fuel economy, especially for city driving. It's often chosen by rideshare drivers and commuters who value consistency over performance. When maintained correctly, the car provides hundreds of thousands of miles of reliable operation. The primary consideration for buyers is the transmission type. Versions equipped with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, have mixed reliability reviews, while manual and conventional automatic options have shown better endurance. Selecting the right variant, along with keeping a full maintenance history, allows the Versa to function as a simple, low-cost solution for everyday travel. The Versa demonstrates that a car doesn't have to be fast or luxurious to serve well. It offers affordability, accessible parts, and mechanical resilience that make it one of the best budget sedans for long-term ownership. At the top of the list is the Skoda Fabia, a small hatchback that quietly became one of the most dependable models on European roads. Its 1.2 MPI petrol engine uses a straightforward, naturally aspirated setup with no turbocharger or complex emission systems. This simplicity allows the Fabia to run for years with limited maintenance and minimal repair costs. The Fabia's reliability benefits from Volkswagen Group engineering. Many of its parts are shared with models from VW and Seat, which means affordable spares and a vast servicing network. Suspension components, brake systems, and electrical elements are standardized, giving owners consistent access to replacements at reasonable prices. Owners often cite examples of Fabias surpassing 150,000 miles, while continuing to pass annual inspections with only minor advisories. The solid body structure and modest weight reduce mechanical stress and make the car easy to handle even in demanding driving conditions. Used market values are favorable. Because the Fabia lacks the prestige image of a Golf or Mini, its resale price remains modest. This makes it one of the most cost-effective entries into reliable European motoring. Insurance and taxes are also low, appealing to younger or budget-focused drivers. Buyers should prioritize the simpler trims without turbocharged engines. These versions consistently demonstrate long service life and predictable maintenance costs. When properly serviced, the Fabius stands as a model of practical engineering, affordable, sturdy, and remarkably durable for its price category. These 9 cars prove that reliability doesn't need a luxury badge or a big price tag. If you found one that fits your budget, tell us in the comments which you'd trust on a 100,000-mile road trip. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss our next real-world car guide.